What's up, guys? Raider here. Hope you're all having a great day. We're doing fantastic. Hey, we're going retro today. I got the GepRC Mark II. Haven't flown this quad in like 15 months. I got the Horus X10S sitting here, the old beast. And then my Fatshark, the old trusty HD2s. So we're going retro today. First analog flight since I started flying digital, so this should be interesting. All right, I'm not even sure how to arm this quad. It's, like I said, it's been like 15 months. Let's get her up in the air, see how it does. Hey guys, I didn't realize I didn't have turtle mode set up on this. It's been a long time. So let's put it back in the air. I put another pack on. I don't know, I got a weird RSSI warning. We'll see what's up. Just put it in the air. There's no one around. All right, let's try again.
Twenty minutes later.
It's
This one's been stabbing me in the stomach. You see it? I think I got it. If I can just pull this one down just a little bit more like that. Thanks, guys. Let's see. We'll get this pig out of here. Get that under my armpit. There we go. It was like trying to cut me right in the middle of my stomach. Okay.
Oh, you're touching it.
Yeah. I'm trying to get it just right before I push it. Watch out. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. Yeah. Is the red light on the GoPro still flashing on the front?
I don't know where the front is.
Right on here. Let's take a look.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Guys, it's still recording. We got it back. I got to be back to work in 8 minutes. Do you guys mind being on YouTube?
I don't care.
I have a YouTube channel. We got a lot of subscribers. All right, here's my buddies. They helped me out here.
Hi.
We got the drone back. That's it. I'm done, guys. I'm not going to press my luck. That's the end of this video. I'll have to do some editing. We got it back. I am out of breath. Back and forth to the house. Trying to climb the tree. It's water time. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great weekend.